Hello everyone, and today we've got this little beauty. This is of course the miniature version of the delectable Musella lasiocarpa, or the golden lotus banana. Look at this delightful little plant. Now of course, as with most exotics, it will get a little bit bigger than this and produce just a beautiful flower in the center, which is like a lotus shaped golden flower, and it is spectacular. Anyway, here's one of the small plants. I have one which is a little bit bigger, which is just starting to poke its head out after the colder times. So let's see what that one's a little bit like. Now this is a slightly older plug plant, and it's overwintered in the polytunnel. It's an unheated polytunnel, so as long as you protect it over winter from frost, you will be fine. But as you can see, the leaf is just about coming out. There's the, like, even in the space of, well, 6-7 months difference between plants. You've got small plant, yes, they are similar size, yes, but if you'll notice this bit here, it's like a corm that's growing out. And that's where the leaves all come from. This is a thing you need to protect in the winter. But this little darling will turn into this, and this thing will probably be, by the end of this season, a foot or so in length or height at least. And we may get a flower from it this year. I don't know. We'll see. But I've got some bigger ones which are outside in larger pots. Now this wonderful, wonderful plant is a native of Yunnan in China. Yes, I barely remembered that myself. And in some regions of China, it is sacred, as most things are. The flower, when it comes, can last for absolutely months, and it is absolutely delightful. Now, looking after this little baby. It is an exotic plant, or I treat it as an exotic plant. So, first things first, it does not like the cold. Protect it from frost. If you're leaving it outside in a pot, wrap the pot, make sure the roots are fully covered with fleece or some sort of protection like that. Wrap the top bit out when the leaves die back, or the bigger version of that. Keep inside if you can. Bring the pot in. I've left mine outside, but they're wrapped. Keep it in. I've got an unheated polytunnel, so I do cover these up though. So I've got the unheated polytunnel. The base of the polytunnel staging has got bubble wrap underneath it, and then weed suppressant on top. So the roots of any plants I put on it are protected from frost. I do put some sort of insulation or bubble wrap over the top of the plants as well, if I see that there is going to be a colder proportion of weather coming through. So it is protected from frost all the way through. That's the most important thing. Now, looking after the plant, this little bad boy likes warmth, does enjoy it, and the pseudostem will develop pretty quickly with water, with a nice bit of water, nice bit of feed, does like feed. Again, a lot of the exotics, I treat them very much like tomato plants. I find anyone, and there are an awful lot of specialists out there who know an awful lot more about exotic plants, and they might well disagree with me. And if they do, that's absolutely fine. I will correct this. That's not a problem. My view on exotic plants is it's difficult to overfeed them. Yeah, don't be stupid and chuck a whole bottle of baby bio on it, but you know, feed it regularly, weekly. I use a leaf feed spray for all of my plants because I've got smaller plants, and that I do that twice a week. But yes, feed, water. Also, this one likes bright light, no shade for this one. As with an awful lot of the exotics, does like all of these things. Anyway, apart from that, it's a cracker to grow. Yes, a little bit of work, but it will give you so much enjoyment, and it adds a lot of interest in your garden as well. And obviously it's one of those talking points because the flowers are just spectacular and unique. That's it basically. It is a cracker of a plant. If you haven't got one, it is certainly worth getting something like this, put it in a pot, look after it, and it will give you years of pleasure. Anyway, stay weird, stay wild, Mad Plantman out.